Hi friend, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm very excited about this video because I'm doing an Instagram collab with my good friend Monica. She just purchased the Nomad palette that I really like. It's so cute with the little pastel colors and these beautiful shimmers down here. I do have another tutorial using this palette. Today I created this look here, which is a fun pastel pops of color, soft transitions with lots of shimmer look. And I hope that you really enjoy this one. I had a lot of fun making it for you, and don't forget to check out Monica's Instagram page. She posts every day and her looks are so inspiring. She uses all kinds of indie brands, especially lots of shimmer, just whimsical pops of color. Absolutely stunning. She does these beautiful close-up photographs. It's insanely cool. So Monica's page on Instagram is mjones5018. That's 5018. And please don't forget to let her know that I sent you. I know you're gonna absolutely love her page. It's just full of inspirational daily makeup. If you would like to see how I created this very cute look, then just keep on watching. I'm just priming my eyelids before we start. This is the Vizier eye base. I'm actually gonna prep the eye with some white pigment. This is the Morphe E22 brush and a Vizier white eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use this all over from the lash line to the brow bone. Really concentrating the white on the lid, but I'm also bringing it through the crease and right underneath the brow as well. Alright, so this adorable palette. My gosh, look at that packaging. I do love this palette. I don't use it nearly enough. This color right here is one of my favorites. I'm just going to layer that right over the white in the inner half of the eye look. Very lightly bring this up to the brow. Now for this skin tone color, it really matches my skin tone pretty well. It's like a light, very pale peach beige. I'm going to bring that underneath the brow. It has a little bit of luminosity to it. A bit like a satin. Somewhere between a satin and a matte, I'd say. You can kind of see the shine. I love this type of cool toned pink. Totally me. This row has a really cute kitty on it with like, I think blood like dripping, like a vampire kitty. I'm gonna tap this onto the outer third, the outer corner. You can see here how this one also has a bit of shine to it. It has almost like this blue glow with a pink base. So pretty. Okay, I'm really interested in using the orange and light blue together. I really like this combination of colors. So for the lid, I'm going to pick up the orange with my GSN09 Chikuhodo brush and pat that right over the yellow in the inner half of the lid. Just carefully placing that right on top. These layer beautifully. Love that you can see a peak of the yellow underneath the orange there. They're still super soft and pastel. Cyan here. These shadows are very powdery. And then I'm just going to amp that up. Taking a little bit of yellow to blend in between the blue and the orange. I want to pick up a little bit of this pink here. It's a tad bit warmer, and using the very edge of the brush, I'm going to amp up that. I'm going to go back to that Morphe brush and the pink with the blue flash, that lavender color. And we take this below the lower lash line. Really blow that out. Okay, now for the shimmers, I'm gonna take this gorgeous purple violet duochrome with an angled brush. Taking the shimmer and patting it right into the crease on this outer edge and dragging upward to blend. I'm going to take that fluffy brush again and just blend right over. I'm going to dip into this beauty right here that's a little bit more textured. It has a beautiful soft blue flash to it. With this one, I'm going to tap it right over the lid. Hoping that the orange will peek through a bit. Taking a bit of the orange and reapplying in the inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and throw some foundation on before finishing up the eyes. This is the Suku Nude Wear Liquid. I'm taking a bit of Vanilla Soft Matte Complete Concealer from NARS, and I'm going to overlap this eyeshadow down here. Just cleaning up the edges so that I have a nice, smooth transition and everything looks nice and clean. Okay, going into this guy first, I'm going to get the very outer edges with this peach. And then going back into the pink, reapply. On the cheeks, I want to take Lolita, this warmer pink, soothing face brush. Really tap off the excess and use this as my blush. I've got this band-aid here for spot that needs to heal. Okay, really build that up. I want to take a little bit of a lighter pink blush. This one is my Chanel Tweed Pink. I'm going to layer that right onto the apples of my cheek. I'd like to emphasize that turquoise a little bit more, so I'm going to take a green eyeliner. This one is the Dose of Colors Lucky eyeliner, and tight line all the way around. I'm going to bring this on the upper lash line as well. On the outer half. Okay, and then with a synthetic little brush, this one is from Wet n Wild. I'm going to go back into our cyan here and run this where the eyeliner is. Okay, lastly I'm going to take a bit of this pink again with a smaller Shakuda brush, the 820, and connect this to the eye a bit. It's that pretty pearlescence. So essentially using it as my highlighter here. I'm gonna go for my ColourPop Kissin' Teal mascara. I finished up applying the mascara and filled in my brows lightly, and I pulled out my Danessa Myricks Beauty Waterproof Cream Palette in Primary. And I think I want to do like a grayish lip, sort of inspired by the gray in the eyeshadow palette. It's a soft charcoal here with a tad bit of brown in it. So I'm thinking that type of color for the lip would be cute. So I'm taking my liner brush and gonna do a brown base coat. I'm gonna take a little bit of the yellow, blend some of that into it as well. Alright my friend, thank you so much for watching. This is the final look and I couldn't be more pleased. I feel like a cartoon character right now. Look at my shine and my glitz and my pops of color. I just had so much fun playing with makeup. I kind of just took today as a let me self-care and just play, and it was very, very worth it, and I am so glad you joined me. If you have this palette, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of it, because I find that mattes to be a little bit like they don't necessarily stay put for that long, you know what I mean? They're not that long wearing. But the colors are so unique and the shimmers are so textured and interesting, and you know, these are the types of things you can't get from mainstream brands. You know, like these are just so delicious and fun, and they just bring a smile to my face. So yes, if you had fun with me today, I would really appreciate a big thumbs up and a comment. I don't say that much on my channel, but every time I get those feedbacks, I just get so happy. Like, it just brings so much joy, because I don't do my channel for views or for subscribers at all. I just made it and continue posting because I love making new friends who also love makeup. That's just kind of my goal. I love connecting with you. So I will catch you in my next one. Bye, Cake Face fam.